Before you can start working on a new workbook in Tableau, you must first connect to some kind of data source. Tableau isn't like Excel. It's not a blank slate where you type in data. You need to get your data from somewhere outside of Tableau. If you are viewing the Tableau homepage, there are several places you can connect to data. With the Data tab, the Data drop-down menu, or the Connect to Data link. From the Connect to Data screen, click on the type of data source you want to connect to. If you just see In a File Data Sources, you're using Tableau Personal Edition, which doesn't connect to corporate databases or web-based data sources. Tableau Professional Edition also includes On a Server, which lets you pick from a wide variety of corporate databases and web-based data sources. If you've created a saved data source using a TDS file in your repository, you can select it on the right side of the Connect to Data screen. Chapter 3 in the accompanying book covers creating saved data sources. If your data is contained in an Excel spreadsheet, choose that option. Remember that Excel sheets will need to contain data in a consistent, contiguous row and column organization in order for Tableau to understand them as data tables. Locate the Excel file you wish to use, and then pick the sheet you wish to use as your data table. If you connect live, you make a direct, real-time connection to the spreadsheet. If you choose to import some or all of the data from the spreadsheet, you'll create a Tableau data extract file containing a copy of the spreadsheet data. Chapter 3 in the accompanying book tells you all about extracts. Once you've chosen your desired sheet, a new Tableau workbook appears. You'll see the columns in your spreadsheet as dimensions and measures in Tableau. You can actually have more than one data connection open in the same workbook, with each worksheet using its own connection. To connect to another data source right in an open workbook, use the Data drop-down menu or the Toolbar button. If you want to connect to a standard corporate database system, such as Microsoft SQL Server, just click it. Type in or choose the name of the server, choose your authentication method, and, if necessary, type in your user ID and password, and connect. Select the database you wish to use from the drop-down list, and pick the table you want to use in your workbook. Just like with Excel, you can choose to connect live to your database, or import some or all of the data into an extract. Now, you'll see your database fields available as dimensions and measures. A web-based data source, like Google Analytics or Salesforce.com, connects through a website to data. Type in your credentials, and make other necessary choices. Once data has been downloaded from the website and extracted into a local file, you'll see dimensions and measures from your web-based data source. Especially with standard corporate SQL databases, it's typical to require more than one table in your workbook. This isn't particular to Tableau. Every standard business intelligence and query toolset has the same requirement. To add and join multiple tables from the same database, connect as you would to use one table. With the Single Table Radio button selected, choose the first table you wish to add to the workbook. Then, click the Multiple Tables Radio button, then Add Table. From the dialog box, choose the next table you wish to add to the workbook, and then click the Join tab. Tableau will attempt to automatically choose fields to join the two tables, based on field name and data type. If the automatic join is correct, you're good to go. Click OK. Then, click Add Table again for the next table you wish to use. Again, Tableau will attempt to auto-join the tables. But if it gets the join wrong, you'll need to delete the automatic join and select the proper matching table and fields in the left and right field boxes, and add the join. You can also change the join operator and join type if you need to. When you're finished, click OK to close the connection dialog box. And there you go. More than one table joined together for use in your workbook. That's a look at how to connect to data in Tableau. Now you're ready to start creating exciting visuals from all kinds of data sources.